What's up, Misfits? Today, we tear it all down.
You've heard of Land of the Misfit Toys. This is Shop of the Misfit Bikes. Welcome to Misfit Rascal.
What's up, Misfits? Here we are with the second episode. Now we're doing the teardown. So we're taking out basically all the wiring. I got the rear air box out. I'm working on the front, and that's being a bitch. So I know there's another way to take out the air box to save it, but we're not saving the air boxes. We're going pod filters. And I know, before everybody just cringes and fucks me up in the comments, it's possible, and I know it's hard, but that's why most of you are pussies and we're misfits. So we're gonna go ahead and do it, and we're gonna be okay with it, and so are you. How about that? Anyway, so yeah, we got all this shit out. So what I've done is labeled everything as I was taking it off. So I was just taking some painter's tape and just labeling what everything was and what goes to what. And on some of these connections, I have some painter's pens. There's like some paint pens. All you gotta do is just match the same color to each connection, and you'll be alright. Plus, I mean, the colors of the wires help you out. So don't be too afraid to just, don't just rip everything out like you're Frankenstein and trying to make a monster. I mean, that's kind of essentially what we're doing here, but don't force anything off. Just take your time, just label everything, make sure you remember how it all goes so you know which wires go to which things. Even if you do have a wiring diagram, this is just a good idea. I mean, it just saves you a lot of headache. So, since we've gotten all that out, we gotta remove the battery, the regulator, and the ignition. I already got the coils out, and out come the carbs, and then I'm going to disconnect the shaft drive, and I will take the rear wheel out, the front wheel out. We're going to do a bunch of stuff with the front end, so I mean, it all has to come apart anyway, right? So why not just start it by destroying it? Let's do this. almost 20 minutes of filming. We got the battery box and the regulator off. That all kind of came off in one unit, so that was kind of nice. We got the ignition off. Like I said earlier, all the wiring and stuff. We got all the coils off. We got a bunch of stuff done already. So we got the old controls off. We got those highway pegs off, and now really I guess all there is to do is drain the fluids and get this radiator off and open this up, try to detach the clutch, kind of get all the blood work that has to be done on it off. So we still got clutch here, still got throttles on the carbs because they haven't come off yet. This box is still hanging around. I'm gonna figure that out. Probably just gonna wait until I get the frame apart. I don't want to, but fuck. Anyway, I just want to see how it looks with no air, like no big stupid stock airbox in there. But anyway, so yeah, we gotta get this radiator off. So we gotta drain some fluids and stuff, and then still kind of do some work. I don't know how much I'll get to tonight. Hopefully I'll have it ready to kind of start disassembling this drive and take the wheels off. I want clip-on handlebars. I know that's not very conventional, but it would be sick for this build. I like the way these sit, but these bars just... I don't like this riser shit. So, I mean, we're gonna have to do something about that, you know? That's no fun. Looking over that when your bars are down here, just thinking about smacking your fucking head on here. Dude, just what the hell. But anyway, so we're getting dark here at like fucking 5 o'clock. So, don't have a lot of daylight. The lighting kind of sucks in here because we're kind of knocking out that wall just took out my electricity. So, in this room anyway. So, yeah, we're gonna have to get that figured out. But other than that, we'll pick this up tomorrow. I think we're gonna just make another video and kind of keep editing. So, my equipment right now is pretty crappy. So, like every other YouTuber that starts out, all my videos are gonna be fucking cringy. So, I don't know. Well, I think I'm just gonna end it here for today, and then I'll film whatever I can. So we'll get this throughout the week, and you'll see some more content. Till then, Misfit.
This has been a Misfit Rascal production.